Welcome to Pets So Cute. If you're a fan of adorable pups, mischievous cats with the wildest antics, or hilarious moments featuring our furry animal friends, you're in the right place.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man. God damn, Jim, you outdid yourself here. You did. Wait a second. How long have I been here? I can't feel. Jim, I can't feel my face. What did you do to the pineapple?
How you doing today, human? So, we're gonna put the bucket down, but I need you to do me a favor today. I need you to take your hand like this, and I need you to put it on my head. Can you do that for me, please? Oh yeah, that's nice. Ooh, it's been a long day. Oh, man, should have thought of this years ago. Onward, Jeremy. Yeah.
That bastard won't see me coming. Just gotta show him the old teeth. Yeah, there we go. You know, you got some vicious teeth. Gotta show these bad boys off. That's right. And then of course, gotta give him the old bark action. You know, just a little rough. There we go. Yes, the mailman will think twice before delivering a package here.
Please don't bite me. I just know you're gonna bite me. You're too big.
Нихуя ты, блядь, вот это ты, блядь. Нихуя. Нихуя. Ща кинется, блядь, зверюга. Ебучий. Ты кто, блядь?
I'll show you what a capitalist looks like.
Ini parah nih. Tenang. Nobody but you. I'm never confused.
How did he manage to get in there?
Everybody looks to the left. Everybody looks to the
pela.
Lá. Ih.
Agora vem.
Olha lá, ele olhou pra cá. Quer ver o gato dar uma lambida? Olha lá, ó.
Oh, darling!
鼻スイッチになってるやん。なんでこれやば。
夏お手して
鼻は
多分
マジで
肉球
何これ
肉球だけやと思う。ほら
なんだこれ鼻でつくじゃん。
楽しいこれ。多分肉球だよ。ほら
鼻は鼻
肉球が鼻。
すごっ。なんで肉球が鼻全身スイッチになってるやん。
多分静電気じゃないかな。
すげえ。
ほら
なんですごっ。ほんとやん。
おもろい。
Now you see why they call it a catwalk and not a dog walk, right?
I'm okay. I'm fine. Kinchana. Kinchana. Ting, ning, ning, ning, ning. Ku menahan rasa sakit. Rasa sakit. Angin tuh.
Pazartesi günü yeniden görüşmek umuduyla.
Смотрим, немножко поглазил,
İyi akşamlar.
Ай, хорошо.
No, no, no, no.
Brother, help me!
Long live the king. Hey guys, I just don't know if I could do this by myself. Ron, you mind going down? Hey, he's your little brother.
He's got a point, Bobby.
Alright, fine. Let me just get down here. Alright,
No.
Timmy, you son of a... Just get, come on.
I'm scared.
Get in my teeth.
Bobby.
Hey, stop being a little pussy. Just come on, get up here. Alright, it's gonna be simple. Alright, you're gonna... Oh, shit, damn.
Jesus, Bobby.
Timmy, are you alright?
I'm telling Mom.
Okay, Timmy, I am sorry. That was my bad.
I wonder if we're still gonna be able to catch the nip dealer.
You just gotta arc the... Oh, shit, Timmy, I got this. Trust me. You gotta trust me with your brother, alright? So you just gotta arc the jump.
Bobby, please.
Okay, just gotta focus here, and... Oh,
Oh, he did it.
Alright, there we go. So if I score you some catnip, you won't tell Mom about this, right?
Where'd that little bastard go? Hey, excuse me, I need to figure out how to... Hey, can you...
Whoa! Jesus Christ! Oh my God!
You made it.
Oh my God, that was too close. Wait a second. Where's Timmy? Shit, I left him on the iceberg. I'm coming, Timmy! Oh my God, this would be so much easier if I could fly.
Hey, excuse me? Yeah, do you know how to get to...
Oh my...
Hey, dude, I needed to get to...
Oh God, I made it. Timmy, where are you? Unbelievable. I went to the wrong iceberg. Oh shit.
Can you please help me, dude? I'm trying to...
I'm dead.
Figure out how to get to Walmart.
What?
Figure out how to get to Walmart.
Walmart? Why didn't you say so? It's right past Polar Bear Boulevard and to the right.
Oh, dude, I freaking knew it, dude. I was just right there, man.
Sea lions have the worst sense of direction. Left, right, on the bed. Off the bed. My name is Timothy. I'm speed. Hoo-ha! Agility's my middle name. Hoo-ha! Ooh, what's that in the closet? Let me show you move. Oh my God, it's a mouse. Ooh, that all happened so fast. I'm proud of you, son. You did great out there. Our humans are gonna be pissed. Oh God. Jerry, what the hell are you doing here? You know what? I'm actually kind of glad you're here. I have my Otter 101 swimming final today, and, well, we're being tested on diving, Jerry, and gosh darn it, I'm just too afraid to do it. And I just can't overcome the fear. What's that? Think I should just go for it? Fuck it. Jerry, I did it, thank you. Hey, George, get your fat ass over here.
Who you calling fat ass, Barry?
You, that's who.
Jesus Christ, Barry.
Yeah, that's right. Roll on out of here.
That was pretty fucked up of me there.
Whew. Today just really kicked my ass. Oh, man.
What are you looking at, Gary?
You know what? Actually, you want to do me a solid? You want to grab me a beer?
Wow. This is incredible. John, what do you think of this new shampoo? Unbelievable. The way it exfoliates. The exfoliation, yes. And the way it interacts with the whiskers. The whiskers. Ooh. We're gonna need a full subscription of this. Yeah.
I am a female penguin.
Damn, bitch, you a snack. Ooh, damn, girl, nice and tall, just my type.
So excited to see my husband, Gerald. You better not be cheating on me again. You are so funny. Gerald? Gerald, where are you? You know, over there? Gerald, where are you, honey?
Damn, bitch, you hella thick.
Oh, stop it. Gerald, you son of a bitch. Trying to get my man, huh? I'll fuck you up.
Oh, thank God you came. That girl's being a creep.
Oh, I can't stay mad at you, Gerald.
Yeah, give me that shit.
Wow, that is a toxic relationship.
Self-destruct initiated.
Oh my God, Charlie! Charlie, please, for the love of God, you gotta get me out of here. You gotta, Charlie, don't leave. God damn it! I'm stuck in the centrifugal motion, but it's not like the song says. It is not perpetual bliss. Oh God, you know that song, right, Charlie? It's the one by Faith Hill. You know it goes like, it's the way you love me. It's a feeling like this. That's the one. What the hell's going on here? Charlie, did you play this song? Is this some sort of sick joke? Just because I ate your leftovers, man, I'm sorry. Charlie! Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. That's the stuff. Tough day on the farm. Oh, I wonder when Sharon's coming home. Oh, God! Damn it. I think I'm stuck. I'm gonna kill that rooster. Hey, Jerry, check it out. It's just right up here. We're almost there. All right, Jerry. You just gotta get up this little bugger right here. Oh, you need some help, yeah? No worries, yeah? Come on up here. Come on, Jerry, you hunk of lug over. Yes. All right, it's just right up. Oh, it knocks. It's my turn. No. Yes, it is. You white sack of shit, George. Give me the fucking bowl. Don't give me that look. Give me that. I'm gonna shit in your bed tonight. What? I said I'm gonna shit in your bed, George. Hey, Sharon, there's just been this thing on my mind for a while now, and, well, Are you guys getting a divorce? No, of course not, Timmy. No, Sharon, no, it's nothing like that, no. I fear it may be worse. You see, if Voldemort was somehow able to mate with a monkey, just about damn near any monkey, well, I'm almost 100% positive the direct result would be us. Timmy, your father and I are getting a divorce.
Hopefully, these funny and delightful moments with our animal friends will bring you joy and brighten your day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to catch our latest videos at 8 p.m. the next day. Thank you, and have a good night.